Hi everybody, it's Tereese. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm here to share a quick project. Um, but before I share that, I wanted to come on and give a shout out to my friend Jackie over at ladyj.crafty2016. That's her YouTube channel. She just told me yesterday, I believe, that she has an Etsy store. This is the name of her store, Lady J All Things Knit at Etsy.com. And she's selling some knitted scrunchies, which I looked at her shop and they looked so nice. So go and check her out on her Etsy store. And, I'm all for supporting small businesses. So she is definitely a small business. So today I'm here to share this cute little project that Pink Strawberry Z, I think her name is Michelle, she had made this checkbook wallet, and I thought it was adorable when I saw it the other day, and it is so simple and so easy to make. This is from one sheet of 8.5 by 11 cardstock, and I use papers from Hobby Lobby, and I added some really cute things to it. These are little index cards. I think these are 3.5 by 5 index cards that I just slipped in the front. So this wallet has a pocket in the front, and then when you flip it open, it has a pocket here and then a pocket here. And I just thought this was just an easy little project to create. And then on the bottom, I just added this clear pocket from Target that I've gotten many years ago, and I thought it would be really cute to add that here. This envelope is a Dollar Tree, what do you call it, coin envelopes that I just got, and I just decorated it with some lace and some paper. And I just love how that just slips in. I think that's the smallest, yeah, this is the smallest coin envelope that fits in this little pocket. And I think I haven't gone to Target in a while, and I don't know if they're selling these still. Usually before school starts, they have these little pockets for organizing, teachers' classrooms and stuff. So I added some words from my stash. It says creativity is you. This says inspired, and then here it says friendship. And I added another. These laces are from my snippet bag of laces, and I just picked, like laces that would match the paper. And this, I think this paper is called ephemera, if I'm not mistaken. I just love this strawberry paper in the background. I just love it. Um, yeah, so go check out, I'll have her link down below to her video that shared this tutorial. And I just thought it was simple and adorable to make real quick. Um, you could add this to Happy Mail. You could definitely put, little ATCs in the pockets if you wanted to, and gift this to a friend. I just thought it was the cutest idea. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.